gentle words warm my heart, like a quiet fire burning inside. A young soul longs and waits. Love has entered my life at last. From the morning my thoughts are of you. My eyes search for you everywhere. My heart keeps calling your name. A young soul lost in love again. From the morning my thoughts are of you. My eyes search for you everywhere. My heart keeps calling your name. A young soul lost in love again.
Tell me, why is my heart in pain? Why does this young soul feel restrained? Say my love, what sorrow found you? What burden came and pulled you away? This pain has no measure or end. I beg you, don't leave my side. I fear losing the light in my life. I fear this love may quietly die. This pain has no measure or end. I beg you, don't leave my side. I fear losing the light in my life. I fear this love may quietly die.
Today, let's not be afraid of fate. Let love be the road that we choose. Don't fear the long and winding path. Don't turn away from what is true. The world will speak and judge us both, but truth will guide us through the storm. If you walk beside me hand in hand, I'll follow you forevermore.
The world will speak and judge us both, but truth will guide us through the storm. If you walk beside me hand in hand, I'll follow you forevermore. I heard the words of ancient truth. They taught me how to live and love. With pure devotion I choose this life. My heart was lifted high above.
Hand in hand we step ahead, a sacred path